going to preheat the oven. So click the button that says bake. Okay, I'm gonna click it. And then press 3, 5, I'm gonna say 5, 0. And then start. Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making a cake. So for my dad's birthday, we are going to make a pineapple cake. I'm going to surprise him today. So you first need a huge bowl or a small bowl or something bowl. And then you need some pineapple cake mix, 1/3 cup of oil, and a 1/2 cup of water. Well, I only have 2 eggs, but you need 3 eggs, and it sounds like underneath my pocket, so that's easy. You need 3 large eggs. These are organic, and how would I forget that? Now let's put our ingredients together. Let's put the cake mix into the bowl. Ooh, I don't know how much you can do, how much you want. If you're making a cake, do the whole packet or something. How much you want. And oh, it smells so good. The thing is smelling so good. The next step is take your oil and then put it in. The whole thing. Ooh, wow. Ooh, take a cup of water, like 2 of those scoops. And I need to pour lots here. Then, woo! And then another one. And woo! That's it. This is the hard part now. Now I need some help from my mom or dad. No, not my dad. Nope, not a bit. So, dun. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I'm cracking eggs and I'm just trying to make me happy. So guys, I already did it. It was really hard for me. I was like going crazy with the song. Do you want to build a snowman? I was so sad. I was going crazy about that song. And now the oven is heated. And this is how it looks right now. Let me show you. That's how it looks. Now comes my favorite part, the whisking part. Let me find the button to put this on. So yum. I'm starting the whisking again. Okay. This looks so smooth. It like feels so smooth and it feels like baby skin. So guys, the batter looks really good. So we're gonna pour the batter into anything you want. But first we need to grease it with some ghee. So I'll grease it now. I know how to really grease things. So I'll take this and then I'll grease it. And then so now we're gonna pour it here. Okay, I need some more. These are how a trays are gonna look like. Okay, this is one, and this is the 3rd one. You're supposed to look adorable, not like bad, really bad. So we're gonna go soon into the oven after it gets heated a lot. So like how much? 350. Yeah. Oh, it feels so hot. So guys, while the cake is baking, I'll show you something. Dad, I have one wish to say to you. Happy birthday, I love you. Daddy, I even have one more wish to you. Can you please stop doing all that work on your computer? You take so long to do it. You take like a bunch of hours. My mom told me you have to get wiser when you get old, okay? And even, how old are you? How old are you? Tell me. How old are you? I made you Cecil cake because I love you, Dad. I love you. Huggy. I want to tell you something so cool, Daddy. I'm giving you a huge surprise. Did I say that? I don't know. And the huge surprise is in the oven. It's ready, but like there's others every single way, and things over there, or actually right over there. I'm gonna give it to my